Hi, we're House of Herbert Bespoke Dining and we will bring the restaurant to your home. We're a husband and wife team, Gordon, myself, Kirsty, and we will choose a bespoke menu with you, your perfect menu for your evening. We'll come to your home and we'll cook for you and all your guests so you can relax and enjoy your evening. Tonight we're here at the Handmade Kitchen Company and we're cooking a dinner party for 8 people for Nick and Diane. And we're lucky enough to have the privilege of the whole of their showroom and kitchens, and we're using the amazing DeManincor range cooker.
Yeah, tonight I'm really eager to get started. I've got an amazing bit of kit here, as professional as you could get in a household. So guys, enjoy it, and I can't wait to get cooking. Hi, I'm Gordon from House of Herbert. Just to run through what we're going to do today. For starters, we're going to do mozzarella and prosciutto ham parcels. I'll put them baked in the oven very shortly, along with a nice fresh salad. To cook me the mozzarella starter, I'm also doing a raviolo of pan-fried pear, conference pear, gorgonzola and walnuts, accompanied with a warm brown butter sauce, topped with some deep fried basil leaves and some green vegetation. Now we come to cooking the pasta in a DeManincor pasta cooker, which is an amazing piece of kit. So now we'll drop these in approximately 3 to 4 minutes just to cook these. We're not actually cooking the pasta, it's fresh egg pasta, so we're just basically warming it through and making sure that the filling is warm. And back on with the lid. 3 or 4 minutes, we'll be done. Okay, 3.5 minutes, 4 minutes later, our pasta's happily bubbling away there. I'm just going to move it from the pasta heat cooker, and now we're ready to plate up. Now we're ready for the mozzarella balls to come out the oven. Look at those lovely boys. Just let those rest for a second. We're now ready with the brown butter sauce, which we'll coat over the raviolo. Ravioli of pear, gorgonzola and walnut, topped with a brown butter, topped again with fresh grated parmesan and a deep fried basil leaf. Right, here we go with the big bad boys here. These are French trimmed Côte de Berthe, locally sourced from Friarthorpe Farm. Fantastic local butchers. And we're just going to pop them in this screaming hot pan. I'm going to sear them both sides. Top them up with a glaze of butter towards the end of the searing process, and they'll be in the oven for, I'd say, about 20 minutes or so, so they're nice and pink. Right, so now we'll pop this in the oven for approximately 20 minutes or so. I'll probe it to get the correct temperature. We're looking for approximately 50 to 55 degrees centre heat. We'll then allow it to rest for about 5 to 10 minutes before carving it. Right, so now we're going with the dauphinoise. We'll put these to the top of the oven. I want these to brown off nicely, followed by the tomatoes. They'll go underneath. And then finally, I've just probed, just checking on the temperature of the Côte de Berthe. It's still okay, so they can pop in. They can happily sit there for another 15 minutes or so. Right, ladies and gentlemen, now we're on to dessert. Everyone seems to be quite happy with the mains. I've got individual tart tatans here, which are going to pop back in the oven. For the ladies and gentlemen that are celiac, it's just purely a caramelised apple just now. So we're going to pop these in the oven until just cooking the pastry, warming it through. So this should take approximately 15 minutes and we're ready to go. There we go. Okay, so now we're done. The tart tatans are ready to go. Let's take them out of the oven. Be careful because they're extremely hot. Yeah, so now we're just plating up the final parts of dessert. Tatan base cooked absolutely perfectly in the oven. Right, well there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That was my evening cooking on the brand new DeManincor range. What a fantastic tool it is. Be the envy of anyone's kitchen. Everything, the hot plate being amazing. Pasta cooker, what a non-faff item that is. Loads of volume there so you can fill it right up. It fills itself, it empties itself. It's absolutely fantastic. There's so much room in this oven, it's just enormous. You know, this is as near to a professional kitchen that you can get in your own home. It's amazing. Can't recommend it enough.